Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install TeamViewer on your Mac. TeamViewer is a powerful remote access tool that lets you control another computer, share your screen, or get remote support from anywhere. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Now, in the address bar, type teamviewer.com and press Enter. Once the website loads, make sure you're on the official TeamViewer website. From here, click on the free download button in the top right corner. You'll be taken to the download page. Now click on Download TeamViewer, and the file will start downloading automatically. Just wait a few moments for the download to complete. Once it's done, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the TeamViewer file. A new window will appear. Double-click on Install TeamViewer. If you see a security pop-up, just click Open. Next, accept the license agreement and click Continue. The installer will now appear. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Click Continue, then click Install. You may be asked to enter your Mac password. Just enter it and continue. Now wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, click Close, then choose Move to Bin to keep things clean. TeamViewer should launch automatically. If it doesn't, open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click on TeamViewer to launch it. The first time you open TeamViewer, you might be asked to grant permissions like screen recording or accessibility. Make sure to allow these so the app works properly. And that's it. TeamViewer is now installed on your Mac and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.